This video explains how to buy shares of Sto SE Co KgaA, a German specialist in facade systems, external wall insulation, and facade coatings. The company is listed on Xetra under the ticker Sto .de. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you normally must verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker Sto.de to find the Sto SE Co KgaA listing. Make sure you select the Xetra listing for the correct stock. On the stock page, you can review basic company info and the price chart, confirming this is the Sto SE Co KgaA listing. Double-check the ticker and exchange before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next trading session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can confirm. Your position will appear in your portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. A link to the platform is in the description for convenience.